An associate of mine runs a small data center, has software that can load any program as long as it has a command line component. While he only has 15 Notes clients, he didn't want to install them one by one and clicking through all the dialog boxes. He wanted to use his installation program. I know how to run Notes on a command line, so I shared the information with him, and I figure it would be a benefit to you. As you can see from the display on the screen, this is a version 9 Lotus Notes. Because we did this a while back, we're migrating to version 11. However, the command line function works with any version through Notes 12, and I suspect it will work with Notes 14 when it's released. Here's the small CMD file that I provided with him. You notice the first line moves him to where his Notes code is stored, and the second line runs the setup command. The /s is for silent, the /v is to pass the arguments to the executable, and the /qb plus controls what's being displayed for the user. The plus provides a dialog box on the screen so you can watch the progress. If needed, change it to minus, and you won't see anything on the screen while the program runs. Let's run our program. I'm sure you Microsoft folks know how to get past the user account control. Here's the program running. I speeded up the program to 5 times just so then we wouldn't have to sit here and watch it. At this point, Notes 11 is completely installed. The fix pack will install next. As you can see, the fix pack is now completed. When we start up the Notes client, you can see it's a version 11 with FixPack 6 installed. I hope you find this helpful and would love to hear the ways in which you use something like this in your environment.